Hi to everyone guys, in our new video. Today we are talking about your favorite topic. This is the MQL5 signals, and we will put the ranking of the best signals of 2022. I know that today is 2023, but still we are making a decision of choosing like some strategy based on the results of the previous year. So the history for us is one of the most powerful points that we are paying attention on, and based on it we are making our decisions. I want to start this video from explaining to you how automatization of your process very important in the business. We're not talking only about algo trading that you know that I'm a big fan of, all things regarding automatization, it's moving your business. So for some period of time when you are thinking, okay, I'll do this manually, it's like quickly, this is the wrong thought. You need to do everything in automatic way because technology is growing, everything is moving fast, and we need to do the same in our own business. And today, especially in my own video, first of all, I want to start first part of this video will be about automatization of the process of searching the best signal in MQL5 website, because if you will check all signals in MQL5 website, there are more than 4,400 signals. And can you imagine how you can test everything manually by your hands? It's impossible. So that's why this video, like you can see in the YouTube, with some delay because I was working with this type of automatization, and today I will show you a lot of interesting things. So stay tuned till the end of this video, put the like, and let's start making money in 2023. This is all about in this video. Let's start. If you are new, you are opening MQL5 website, going to the main page, choosing signals, then you can see MT4 or MT5. Let's choose MT4 because it's like more popular, but still, for my personal opinion, I think like MT5 is way better. You can start using this one, but it's up to the client. So first of all, MQL5 website will tell us like criteria what we want to choose, but I think they are not good. We can go down, and here we can click all signals. Why I recommend you to do that? Because here you can see only some references from MQL5 website. You will not be able to see all signals. So let's go there. We'll open see all signals, and right now we can see a lot of the signals. We have 93 list of the signals. Let's do like that. Let's choose like a list. And in every list, by the way, here we can see the rating of the signals. So we have in one page, we have approximately 48 signals, and we have 93 pages. So as I told you, right now in MQL5 signals, approximately 4,400 signals providers, and it's like impossible, to be honest. Like if you will sit and check everyone manually, if you need to go, open, check what is going on, check to understand that there was the big drawdown, and then you can understand you can't copy because balance is like super big. So what to do? Like a first way, okay, we have a filter that MQL5 website giving to us. We can check the leverage, profit per month, maximum drawdown. Okay, we can check. Okay, we want to draw down not more than 35%. Trading activity, it's not give us anything. Okay, profit trades. Let's check the percentage of the profit trades will be more than 60. Initial deposit, we don't want to deal with the big deposit, but still let's move like that. Trading time in the weeks. This is very specific point. I will explain you why, because MQL5 website, they are calculating trading trades per week and calculating last week. So right now this is not a good criteria because still this is the beginning of the January of the new year, and guys is not so active. Subscribers, I also don't recommend you to search, because some of the signals that I found them as are showing you in my channel, in the beginning they didn't have any subscriber. Right now they are popular, they have subscribers, and I'm very happy that I show for a lot of the people, first of all through my channel. And subscription fee, I don't see any reason to pay more than $50. So let's do like that. Okay, search, we put all our criterias, and what we can see that still we have 11 pages. So if you have 11 pages, you see, even we put this small criteria, and right now we have 11 pages. But if in every page it will be 40 something signals, still it's like around 500 signals, so still it's very difficult to search, and even these criteria will not give us chance to understand which one is good, which one is not. Okay, let's open for the example like a first one. We can see has 10 subscribers. The initial deposit 1,000, he's in profit $10,000, maximum drawdown, he's trading more than 2 years, good. But if we are going to the equity, we can see that this guy using averaging or martingale, I don't know, yeah, he's using averaging because there is no multiplier, but in section of stop loss we didn't see anything. I think like for my subscribers there is no point to explain why I'm not recommending you to use this type of the signals. Who don't know, please watch my other videos when I explaining you how guys are losing money, even like most profitable guys that trading like millions dollars. You can see, you can find this video in my channel, how one bot lost $14 million, and you can see everything there. So what I decided to do, why I was telling you in the beginning of this video about automatization, I start working with some IT guy and we decide to parse all signals. So we steal all details from the MQL5 website, I put them in the special Excel file, and right now it's easy for me to filter. So I'll tell you what I steal and what I start like filtering. So first of all, this is the price. As I told you, I put like the price must be less than 60. Algo trading, I put more than 70%. In the end, I think I should put more than even 90. Okay, let's put greater than 90, 0.9. Okay, then weeks, I'm highly recommend you to check the signals that trading more than 40 weeks. Why? I choose more than 35 because I was interested to check this signal, because this is 1 year and this is already good statistic to make a decision based on the history. Then trades, minimum trades, and here is trades per week. This is not good in MQL5 signals. Why? Because as I told you, they are showing for last week. So what I did, I took trades, divide them to the weeks, and I can see exactly explanation. So this guy, you see, averaging quantity of the trades right now, trades per week is showing me 3, but trades per week mostly he is doing 29. And if I will filter him there, I will lose this signal. But the signal is good because 29 signals is like already good. I put greater than 10. Okay, let's move forward. Regarding profit, I put in profit because from this 4,400, lots of them in minus. Maximum drawdown less than, let us put like 40%, 40, yes. Then the drawdown in dollars. By the way, in MQL5 website you can find, let us open this signal, you can find only drawdown in percentage. What I'm doing, you know, because percent is nothing, what I'm doing, I'm taking his balance, you know, and calculating maximum drawdown, so I can see exactly what is the number if dollars, because we are depositing like amount in currency, it doesn't matter, dollar, euro, pound, we are depositing in currency, and for us it's super important also to calculate our maximum risk in dollars. We'll calculate our profit in percentages, but very important to calculate our maximum risk in dollars. What we are doing here, recovery factor, by the way, this is the most important and key point how we can make decision regarding choosing some signals from this website. And if we'll go to this signal, Grizzly Bot Pro, if we will check, he's right now, this signal, he's the number 6 in the rating of MQL5 website, and recovery factor showing 14.14. that is like huge. If we go to statistic, right now it's even higher. You see, I was downloading this signal yesterday and right now results even becoming higher. But what does it mean, recovery factor? When we are dividing total net profit, we are dividing on the maximum drawdown, and if I did like that, it's showing me 10, so still less, you know. Okay, I'm right now I choose the best signals, but some of them it was showing on MQL5 website 12. When I was dividing them, it was showing me 2, you know. This is not good. Let me show you another examples, like here, you see it's 14. After my calculation it became 6. And one more point, another point, like super important, this is the profit pips per trade. Some people, they don't pay attention on this point, and in MQL5 website it's impossible to find the things, but let us check like this signal. It's also one of the top in MQL5 rating, but profit pips per trade in only 39. So what is the problem with that signals? He's trading in IC markets, you see 1000% of the profit. Last year he made only 25%, but if to be clear with you, if he made the profit of 25%, in your account it will be approximately -10 or -15. Why? Because he's closing positions, he's trading a lot of the deals he is trading on like miners currency pairs where the spreads is higher, and even if you will trade in the IC markets, still there will be some delay between the opening position and closing position in comparison to the signal provider. So that's why if you will go to the reviews, he has only 3 star, you know, and people cry, oh, he's like cheater, he's opening position and closing in the wrong way. No, this guy is good. But what is the problem? He's closing these profits in very small profit regarding pips, and in the end it's making big impact on the account when we're starting to copying it. As we can see, you see in that situation when he is closing -7.8, you are like minus, maybe even up to -12, up to -15. When he's closing good months +11, your profit will be -3.4. So that's why in my criteria I will put some things, number filters greater than, and I will put 60. So at least average profit must be higher than 60. Okay, maximum drawdown percentage I choose. Drawdown in dollars also I'm choosing every time like less than even $2,000, not more. I don't like that accounts the thousand of dollars, then you start copying that something is not working. So better to choose real account. Okay, less than 2,000, yes, we do this. Profit pips per trade, recovery factor, and also trades per week. I like signals when they are more active. Okay, and what we have right now, after this filtering, we have only 21 signals. So from these 21, I will choose those, even not 21, because there is the line of the naming. It's only 20 signals that you can really use for your personal trading after all these filters. In comparison to these type of the filters, we have 500. So imagine I spent few more days with that IT guy, and for the future it will make my life easy, you know, so easy that right now I need to make a decision from this 20. So in the second part of this video we will check exactly these top 20 signals, and I will show you which one I will use for the next months. So stay tuned in this channel.